Alright, traders, listen up. This one's for you. Whether you're just dipping your toes into the trading game or you've been riding the market waves for years, this video could be the turning point you've been waiting for. If you've ever wondered why some traders thrive while others crash and burn, or how to finally break free from those emotional, impulsive mistakes, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving into one of the most critical lessons in trading success. Why you cannot afford to skip technical analysis and regular practice. And I'm not just talking about staring at charts and guessing. I mean truly learning how to think like a pro, how to connect the dots, and how to make calculated decisions that stack the odds in your favor. Here's the deal. In this video, I'm going to show you how mastering technical analysis and staying consistent with practice can completely transform your trading results. You'll learn how to develop the cold-blooded mindset that separates amateurs from experts. Why tracking trends and making decisions based on multiple factors, not just one, is the key to long-term success. And how to stop relying on luck or guessing, and start thinking independently, like a professional trader. Plus, I'm going to introduce you to a game changer, a trading assistant we've developed that's designed to help you make smarter, faster decisions. This isn't just another flashy tool, it's a powerful, real-time trading bot that tracks market indicators, analyzes trends, and delivers signals in seconds. Think of it as your secret weapon to speed up your learning curve and improve your accuracy. This bot isn't just another gimmick, it's a free, real-time advisor designed to make your trading smarter and more efficient. Here's what it does. Tracks multiple indicators in real time, RSI, MACD, stochastic, and more, all the data you need, instantly. Processes large amounts of information and delivers clear, actionable signals, buy or sell. Saves you time and reduces analysis paralysis by presenting everything in a simple, user-friendly format. And guess what? It's completely free. Just click the link in the description to get access. But wait, there's more. If you grab the bot today, you'll also get a promo code for plus 100% on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Deposit $50, and you'll get another $50 bonus. Your total trading balance will be $100. Deposit $300, and your balance doubles to $600. The promo code works on your first deposit, so don't miss out. In trading, it is very important to see when the price starts to show certain trends, like now, a corridor, flat, and later, momentum and decline. Then, as usual, a new turn of events follows. But this is what makes trading great. It is like a living organism. The indicators aren't slumbering either. You think that's secondary? No, even small details can be crucial clues to understanding. What if a trend reversal is about to happen? Or one of the sides will start to force the development of events and break through several zones in a row? So, if you're ready to stop guessing, start analyzing, and finally take control of your trading journey, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to use technical analysis and practice to your advantage, but you'll also have access to a tool that can fast-track your results. And before we jump in, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Why? Because this channel is all about giving you actionable insights, tools, and strategies to level up your trading game. Now, let's get into it, because the markets wait for no one, and your success starts right here, right now. Let's go. First, I'll take another look at the currency pair. Never be in a hurry, choose the best option. I recommend using currency pairs with a payout percentage above 75. I can see that the Euro, American dollar option is really good right now. 89%. The expiry time will be 5 minutes. I enter the market for about 2% of the deposit amount in this case. I strongly recommend you, friends, to always stick to money management, keep yourself in control. You don't want to lose everything because of a second stupidity, do you? At the 15-minute range, the bot sees a buying prospect. On the time frame of 5 minutes, an active buy signal. I see a stable trend in these forecasts, which can be used right now, before the bulls lose their fervor. I entered this buy trade on Euro USD because the bot gave a strong active buy signal with 8 indicators confirming bullish momentum, RSI, stochastic, ADX, and ultimate oscillator all pointed to an upward trend. The market was also less volatile ATR, making price movements more predictable. On the chart, I saw a steady uptrend supported by the zigzag indicator, with the price continuing to break higher levels. Combining these clear patterns with the bot's confirmation, it was the perfect moment to enter. Let's watch this trade close and profit. Guys, Max Bot is not a dough button, it is a working tool of the highest quality, which will help you in trading, but you need to learn how to use it, and then the probability of correct trades will be about 80%. What can I notice from the graph right now? I see that the price passed through the corridor in a sideways movement state, after which the bulls decisively broke through the resistance zone. And what happened before that? The same thing. Even before I entered the market, the price was moving in a flat state, and then there was a breakout of the resistance area. Now the buyers are working cyclically in this pattern. Traders, let's get one thing straight. Success in the markets doesn't happen by accident. It's not luck, it's not intuition, and it's definitely not just pushing buttons and hoping for the best. If you want to succeed, really succeed, you have to master two things: technical analysis and consistent practice. Some of you might be tempted to skip the hard work. Maybe you've had a lucky win or two and think you've figured it out. But here's the truth. The market rewards preparation and punishes overconfidence. Trading without technical analysis or consistent practice is like trying to fly a plane without knowing how to read the instruments. You're going to crash. I went to TradingView to look at the situation through the lens of volume. You can immediately notice from the histogram that the buyers developed success progressively. During the past 30 minutes they saturated the market, they dominated. Bears periodically joined the fight, but these bursts of activity are not enough to form a powerful impulse and trend reversal in the short term. The corridor on which the price was rising and the volumes that were growing, these two moments very clearly show the strength and prospects of the buyers. I think that by inertia it will work at least within our time frame. Technical analysis. The trader's compass. Imagine setting sail in the middle of the ocean without a map or compass. How far do you think you'll go? That's exactly what trading without technical analysis feels like, blindly guessing, with no sense of direction. Technical analysis isn't just about charts and indicators. It's about understanding the story the market is telling. Every candle, every trend line, every breakout or pullback, it all paints a picture of where price might go next. Ignoring this is like closing your eyes while driving. It's reckless and unnecessary. Here's why technical analysis is your best friend. It reveals key levels. Support and resistance zones aren't random. They're where the market has historically reacted. Understanding these levels gives you an edge, whether you're trading reversals, breakouts, or trends. It reduces guesswork. Indicators like RSI, MACD, and stochastic help you confirm market conditions. Is the price overbought? Is momentum building? Instead of guessing, you can make data-driven decisions. It protects you from emotional trading. Without technical analysis, your decisions are driven by emotion, fear of missing out, panic, or greed. But when you rely on data and patterns, you trade with logic, not feelings. Here's the thing about technical analysis. Knowing it isn't enough. You have to practice it, over and over again, until it becomes second nature. Consistency is the secret sauce that turns knowledge into mastery. Think about it. Every athlete, musician, or surgeon spends countless hours practicing their craft before they step onto the field, stage, or operating room. Trading is no different. The charts are your field, and every trade is an opportunity to refine your skills. I just made money. The trade closed in the plus side. Buyer volumes really made the difference. The trends continued because the momentum was very strong. It penetrated the market like an arrow. It was an interesting job. But I will make one more move to make this day even more profitable, so that you will see by live example that discipline and analytics really do make money and make life better. I'll work with another currency pair for a change. Now there is another option on the market with a very high payout percentage. This is the American dollar and the Swiss franc. I will again use the 5-minute expiry time. The investment is about 2% of the amount in my pocket. $1,600. I remind you folks, my helper bot is absolutely free. You can pick it up at the link in the description. You will also get access to the VIP chat with analytics and forecasts. Now using artificial intelligence, I'm going to look at what the price trend is over a long stretch 15 minutes. The robot very quickly receives data from many indicators and comes to a rational conclusion. The signal is an active sold. But what do we see on the 5-minute time frame? That's the key for me right now, but you need to understand the data in the aggregate. So, the result is identical. The signal is active sold. I can conclude that bears in this case decided to take the market in their clutches for a long time, and local impulses from bulls will not be a prerequisite for a global reversal. I entered this sell trade because the robot provided a clear active sell signal with 8 indicators aligned for bearish momentum. RSI, MACD, ADX, and CCI all confirmed strong selling pressure. Williams and stochastic RSI showed oversold conditions, signaling a continuation of the downward move. On the chart, I noticed a clear rejection at the resistance level with a sharp downward trend confirmed by the zigzag indicator. Combining these signals, it was the perfect time to act. Let's watch this close in profit. By the way, friends, I want to draw your attention to the fact that the frequency of data update in MaxBot is 1 minute. You can update the data in the course of trades in case you want to scale or hedge. Now, while the deal continues to move, I can highlight a few more points. The corridor, along which the price is crawling, was broken in the resistance zone even before I entered the market. It was an impulse, which did not help the bulls in any way. On the contrary, their potential was exhausted at that moment. The price declined, and now, after a period of consolidation, it may break through the support zone and go even lower. Or, to continue the movement within the same boundaries, which also suits me completely. When you are trading on longer time frames, then it makes sense to take a more distant view. For example, in this case, the price reversed very globally an hour ago. From the high zone, it impulsively rushed downward. Friends, take part in our cool ongoing contest with a prize of $1,000 for one random comment. The conditions are very simple. Watch this video in its entirety, put a like, subscribe to the channel and write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I will choose 2 winners using randomizer and publish the results in my Telegram channel, where our team also shares knowledge about trading and helps traders to learn. The link is in the description. Subscribe. The contest is held every week. So, a histogram of tick volumes. It reinforces what I showed you half a minute ago. The bears began to saturate the market very intensively, and the very moment of the break occurred, after which the price began to descend along the corridor. And now we have a segment, which is a moment of consolidation, but without the bulls taking the initiative. Sellers are still controlling the situation. Why is practice so important? It builds confidence. When you spend hours backtesting strategies or analyzing historical charts, you enter trades with conviction. You're no longer second-guessing yourself because you've seen the patterns play out before. It helps you adapt. Markets are always changing. What worked last week might not work today. Regular practice keeps you sharp and ready to adjust your strategy based on current conditions. It sharpens your instincts. Over time, patterns become easier to spot. Your ability to recognize high-probability setups improves, and you react faster without hesitation. This is the edge that separates winners from the rest. Why most traders fail? Let's address the elephant in the room. Why do so many traders lose money? It's not because they don't have access to charts or indicators. It's because they either don't trust the process of technical analysis or don't put in the hours to practice. Some traders chase trades based on gut feelings or social media hype, ignoring what the charts are clearly showing. Others learn the basics of analysis but skip practice, thinking they've got it after a few wins. Here's the truth. You can't cheat the process. The market is a place where only those who are prepared survive. It rewards the disciplined and humbles the careless. If you're ready to take trading seriously, here's what you need to do. Make technical analysis a non-negotiable part of your trading. Study it, practice it, and apply it to every trade you take. Don't place a single trade without understanding why the setup makes sense from a technical perspective. Practice daily. Whether it's backtesting a strategy, analyzing historical data, or simulating trades, make practice a habit. The more you engage with the charts, the better you'll become. So, I was once again able to correctly assess the situation, and the Max Bot robot helped me as much as possible by instantly showing the big picture and giving recommendations. The total profit for 2 trades is just fine, $2,848. Friends, I hope you have understood the essence and absorbed the plain truths of trading, which I tried very hard today to convey to you in simple language. Practice, get Max Bot for free at the link in the description. Use the promo code for plus 100% to your deposit. And if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, give it a like and click on the bell. I will continue to make cool content for you, in order for the community to develop and reach new heights.